Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are going to make a sandwich. I know you're thinking, why would you do a recipe making a sandwich? Well, this recipe isn't going to go the way I had intended it to go, simply because as I was getting ready to make this, my mom said, well, what if we don't use all of this stuff and we aren't going to be able to get a hold of it that easy? Can you do this in a different way? And I was like, well, yeah, I actually can. So what we have, the ingredients are, I have a little bit of the turkey which is left from my roast turkey. If you want to see that recipe, just go ahead and click that card up there. It'll take you to the day where I show you how to make roast turkey. And I'm using my flatbread. This is so good. If you want to learn how to make flatbread, click that card up there. It'll show you how to make flatbread. It's also linked down in the description. So, you can do this with flavored cream cheese. I do not have flavored cream cheese, and that's the whole big thing with where this started off with. Can you get all of this stuff? How readily available is it? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take off a good slice of cream cheese and spread this over my flatbread. Alright, maybe 2 good slices of cream cheese. There we go. Here's the cool thing about this. You can now tailor this to however you want, and it doesn't you're not devoted to this has to be this flavor. Because the original recipe I was going to flavor the cream cheese and then put it on the bread. Now I'm going to use the herbs that I like. I have parsley, basil, and a little bit of thyme. Now I'm going to take my turkey. This can be cold, this can be warm, it's up to you. And put that in there. Now you can throw in extra cheese, you can throw in lettuce, whatever you have. This is the cool part about this recipe. This is a sandwich that you start building out from here. Now you're saying, well, what else can I do with it? Well, you can now put the whole thing into the oven to warm it up a little bit. Or you can do exactly what I'm going to do. Just have it like this. That is really, really good. The reason that I did this recipe is so that it can show you that sometimes the best thing to do is to take individual items and combine them all together at the table instead of combining them someplace else, because then you're locked into that thing and you can't use it for other stuff. Now I can have the cream cheese for whatever. Mom wants cream cheese on toast. I want to have the bagel. It's not flavored cream cheese. We can still use it. Everything is so good, but it's in a way that I can do this however I want, and I can use the pieces of it over and over again in different ways until it's gone. That's the cool part about this, and that's why this recipe is so good, and you can then tailor it, add carrots, lettuce, onions, whatever you want, cucumber. It's up to you. You decide how you want this to go. Now, if you have different ideas of what you'd like to have on your flatbread turkey, let me know. I would love to hear about this. I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know what you thought about it down in the descriptions. I hope that you like thinking about things in a different way rather than putting them all in just one thing which it's locked into. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.